so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hello! How are you today? Yeah! Whoa! Look at where we are. Today, we're at Fidgets Indoor Play Place in Las Vegas, Nevada. Woo! All right, let's skip around and see what's here. Whoa! Look, it's a train. Whoa! Whoa! All right, I'm gonna continue to skip. Ooh, look at this. Wow, this is a train station. See? There's so many trains here. Like this red train. Choo-choo, choo-choo. Oh, hello, pink train. See? It's a pink train. Wow, hello. Choo-choo, choo-choo, choo-choo. Choo-choo, choo-choo. Wow. Ooh, and look, it's a black train. Choo-choo, 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 choo-choo-choo. Whoa! I love trains. Wow. Vroom, 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 vroom. All right, let's see what else there is around here. Whoa! Look at this. It's a colorful ball pit. Whoa! 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 Wow! So many colorful balls! Whoa! Whoa! What's this in here? Oh, wow! This is a green lawnmower. I think we should mow the lawn. Let's see what else there is in here. Whoa! 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 What is this? Wow! It's a red motorcycle! I bet there's something else in here for us. Whoa! Whee! Whoa! 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 Oh! Oh, watch out! Oh, I almost got you. Whoa! Oh, look! It's an excavator! Yeah, like the Blippi Excavator song.
I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later.
All right, now let's crawl to this side of the room. Whoa! Look at this! This looks like the base of a boat. And this is water, see? Ooh! Whoa! That is one cool boat. Okay, let's continue to crawl. Ooh! Whoa! Look at this! Wow, we have a fire truck. Whoa! And a school bus. Okay, let's take the fire truck and let's let her rip. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Whoa! That was awesome! All right, let's do it again, but this time with the school bus. Ready? Here we go! Whoa! Yeah, good job. Whoa, look at that back there. Wow, this looks like a princess and the king's castle. Okay, I'm gonna go inside. Hello! Look! I'm a unicorn! And look at what else I found in here. Whoa! It's a stroller with a baby in it. This is a baby. Hi, baby. Hello. Okay, sleep tight, baby. Shh. Ooh, sleep tight. Ooh, sleep tight. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, now let's go run around some more. Whoa! Look at these steps. They're so colorful. This step is the color blue. This step is the color orange. This step is the color red. Ooh. And this step is the color green. Come up here. Whoa. Look at this red punching bag. Ooh, here's another one over here. Whoa. See? Here's another one. This punching bag is orange. Wow. We are on the second floor of this structure. Whoa. Hey, and there's a tunnel. Go over there. Hello. Whoa, look at this tunnel! Whoa, I see you over there! Okay, I'll come over there. Here we go. I'm crawling through the tunnel. Wow, that was really cool. Oh, look over here. Wow, see this? This is a yellow slide. Ooh. And it's the shape of a circle. Oh, I should go down it, slide down it. And then when I'm down there, you can come down after me. Ready? All right, bye-bye. Whoa! Whoa! Good job going down the slide. Okay, that was so much fun sliding down the slide. Now, I think we should roll. Whoa! Whoa! I love rolling. Oh, hey, what's this? Whoa. Hello? Hey, how are you? Now I'm inside this house. Reddit. Oh, hey, frog. Hello. Ooh, what else is here? Oh, bye-bye, frog.
Hello, I'm a sheep. Ba, 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 ba. Ba. Hello.
Okay, let's go over here. Whoa, look at this contraption. Whoa. I'm balancing. Okay. Whoa. Oh, That was awesome! Now let's roll some more. Whoa, this yellow car. Here it comes. Oh, yeah! Here's another one. This one is the color purple. Get ready, here we go. Yeah! Okay. Oh, hey, look at this. This is a pink carriage with a horse on it. Bye-bye! Yeah. Ooh, and a red car with a yellow top. Whoa, watch out! Ooh. And a black police car. Here we go. And one more. A red fire truck. Here we go. Bye-bye, fire truck. Whoa! Woo! Here we go. Let's go over here. Look at all of these colorful blocks. There's so many colors. Okay, I think we should lay them down to see what's behind them. Whoa. Yeah, do you see this? This right here, this is a blackboard. And you can write on it. So let's go over what we did today. First thing is we skipped. S-K-I-P. Yeah, skip. Then we crawled. C-R-A-W-L. Crawl. And then we ran. R-U-N. Run. And then what did we do? Yeah, we slid down the slide. S-L-I-D-E. Slide. And then, ooh, we just rolled. R-O-L-L. Roll. Well, this was so much fun doing these active things with you at this play place. Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is ask for my name. Yeah, my name's Blippi. Let's spell it together. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job. See you again. Bye-bye. Oh, hey! It's me, Blippi. And today, we are at Live, Love, Play in Los Angeles, California. Woo! I am so happy to be playing here today. Wait a second. Do you see that smiley face? Come here. This is a smiley face, and it is so happy. Woo! You and I are gonna learn about emotions today. And right now, I am happy. Okay, let's go play inside. Come on. All right, come on inside. Whoa! Look at this place. It is so tall. Wow. First things first, I have to take off my shoes. All right, one shoe. And two shoes. Come here. more emotions. And this is an excited emotion. Oh, I am so excited to be playing in here with you. Okay. Ooh, look, a slide. Oh. Whoa. Meet me at the bottom. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! That was awesome. Come on. Whoa. Whoa. Ooh. Wait, look at this. It's a beautiful couch. Watch. Wait a second. No time for napping. It's time for playing. Ooh, look. Looks like a kitchen. What do you want to cook? Okay. Put the pots and pans. Ooh, yum. Ooh, corn. Ooh, chicken. Turn on the heat. Eat. Come on. Oh, hey, a dolphin. Will you act like a dolphin with me? Oh, that's so much fun. Ooh, come over here. Look. Wow, a big yellow slide. Let's go slide down it. Come on. Whoa, look at these. Whoa, whoa, whoa. These have 3 colors on them. Blue, light green, and green. Wow, so colorful. Come on. Okay. Okay, this is where the slide is. Come on. Ah! Ah! I'm so mad. Hey, look. Mad. Here's another emotion. Ooh. Do you see this? Yeah, this is mad. And I just tripped and fell. And I hurt my knee and it made me mad. Mad's that feeling when you have like smoke coming out your ears. And your head gets so red. It's okay to get mad. But when you're mad, you need to take some breaths. Ready? Okay, I'm not mad anymore. Let's go play some more. Bye-bye, mad. Ooh. Ooh, we're at the top of the yellow slide. All right, are you ready? Here I go. Okay, your turn. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, good job. Yellow slide was awesome! Ooh, let's see what else there is around here. Oh, hey! Little places where you can do your makeup. Ha, so pretty. All right. Ooh, look at this. This is a princess castle. Whoa. Another one. Ooh, looks like a lounge. Ooh, a massive bed. Oh. Wait a second. Do you recognize this? Yeah. Remember? Oh, yeah. This is where I took a nap. Okay, here I go. second. No time for napping. It's time for playing. Come on. Whoa, look. Rah, a big excavator. Ooh, and some blocks. Red blocks, yellow, blue, green. Let's stack them on top of each other. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's awesome. Come on. Oh, I'm getting dizzy. Oh. Wow. See this? This is a trampoline. Whee, whee, you can jump on it. Whoa. Whee! Look, I'm jumping. Whoa! 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 Blippi! Whoa! Bye! I just got surprised. Did you see that? Yeah, surprised. Oh, look. Whoa! Whoa! Surprised is when an unexpected event happens. Like that. Did you see that? Dee Dee just jumped out and said, Blippi! Okay, come on. Ooh, a tunnel. Here I go. Hey! Whoa. Whoa! Look at this. This is a pyramid. And that's a shape, a 3D shape. See how it's a triangle? Yeah. Yeah, a pyramid. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Another pyramid. That's so cool. Whoa, look at this. This is a spiked ball. It's a sphere with green spikes on it. Here, come here, I have something to tell you. Whoa! I almost got you. Whoa! Okay, enough of that. Good job. Ooh, wait a second. Do you see that? That yellow slide through there? Whoa, goes around and around and around and around in circles. I think you and I should go to the top and then I'll go slide down it. Come on. Whoa, look down it. You see that? Okay, I'll slide down there. Hello, here I come. Okay, see you at the bottom. Whoa! Well, I think it's time to go. It makes me so sad just knowing we have to go now. Look. I'm so sad. And see this right here? This is sad. Because I'm sad. Because I can't play anymore. Sad's that feeling when you just want to cry. But wait a second. I think I have a little bit more time to go down the slide one last time. Come on. This is gonna be awesome. Okay, I'm gonna go to the top and then slide down. Get ready. Okay, here I come. Whee! Whoa! Yeah! Ooh, look at what it is. more emotions. It was so fun learning about emotions with you. And hey, this is a pinata. I think before we go, I should whack it, break it open, and see what's inside. Are you ready? Whoa. All right, here I go. Whoa. Okay. Well, thanks so much for playing with me at Live, Love, Play in Los Angeles, California. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Let's spell my name together. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. See ya. Bye-bye. It's me, Blippi! Ooh, and it's nighttime and we're in a parking lot. There's so many stores. Wow, look at this store. It's the Kinderland Indoor Playground in Las Vegas, Nevada. Come on. Wow, this place is so colorful. Before we play, we need to take off our shoes. One shoe, two shoes. Now we're ready to play. Come on. Whoa, look at this. Hello. Whoa, I'm in a little house. Ah. Ooh. It's a yellow ball. Watch this. And a blue ball. A green ball. A red ball. And an orange ball. Oh, look over here. Yeah, it's a ball pit. I'm gonna jump inside. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, so many colorful balls! Whoa! What is this? It's a dinosaur! And this is a pterodactyl. Listen. Dinosaur, dinosaur. Oh, bye-bye, pterodactyl. Dinosaur. Let's see what else we can find. Whoa! 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 This is another dinosaur, and this is a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Dinosaur, dinosaur, oh, I love dinosaurs. I like Tyrannosaurus Rexes. Bye-bye. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, look! This is a Stegosaurus. Let's act like a Stegosaurus together. Okay, ready? Dinosaur, dinosaur, oh, I love dinosaurs. Bye-bye. Wow, so many colorful balls. Let's keep playing. police car. Vroom, 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 vroom. Whoa! Ooh, look! It's a garbage truck. Wow! I love garbage day and garbage trucks. Whoa! This is a giant cement mixer. Look, you spin this right here. Bye-bye! Woo! Look, a fire truck. Gotta put out the fire. Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. Woo! A dump truck. Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa!
Woo! And yeah, a vacuum. All right, nice and clean. Whoa, look at this giant orange spiked ball. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, look at this. It's a blue ball. Whoa, 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 whoa. And this is a small orange and blue spiked ball. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, look at this. Hello. Come on. Whoa, look, a slide. All right, here I go. Whoa! That slide was so much fun! Whoa, it's so colorful. I'm gonna climb to the top. Whoa! 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 Yeah! I'm the king of the world! Whoa! Whoa! Okay, now it's time to get down. What's this over here? Hello, are you hungry? Yeah, I'm really hungry. I went shopping earlier. Look at all of these fruits and vegetables. Yum! Let's see what we're gonna cook together. Ooh, oh look, hey. Gotta put out the dishes first. The plate and the bowl. Ooh, look at this! I cooked you some spaghetti! Alright, yum! Let's season it! Mmm, yum! There you go! Ooh, and you know what else I have? Do you like pizza? Yeah! Okay, look at this! Yum! That looks so tasty! All right, let's take the spatula and cut the pizza out. Ooh, look at that piece of pizza for you. All right, perfect. There you go. Oh, it's so hot. Just came out of the oven. Ooh, to make it even hotter, we should put some hot sauce on it. Oh, but before we put some hot sauce, let's try it out. Lord, this helps. Whoa! Look at these. Come here. Whoa! This has wheels on the bottom. I'm gonna let it roll. Here we go. Yeah, that was awesome. Oh, here's another one. I wonder what would happen if I rode it. All right, here we go. Wow! That was so much fun. Oh, here's another one. All right, here we go. Get ready. Yeah! Ooh, look at this structure. Come on. Ooh, look at these steps. They're so colorful. This is the color black. This is a new color. Whoa, this is maroon. This color is the color pink, blue, green, purple, red, and gray. Whoa, look at this. Wow, it's a slide. Okay, here I go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Watch this. I'll do that again. All right, I'm gonna throw it really hard. It bounced off the wall and hit me in the face. Whoa! 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 Watch out! Whoa! Hello! Whoa! Look at this yellow net! Whoa! And look at what it is over here! Wow! It's a giant red slide! Whoa! Hey! And look at what's in the way! Whoa! That's a lot of big soft blocks! It's time to go, but they're in the way! Wait a second! Why don't I slide down and plow them over? Are you ready? All right, here I go! Wow! Oh! Whoa! Oh, that was so much fun playing at Kinderland Indoor Playground in Las Vegas, Nevada. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, you know what to do. Yeah, just search for my name. Let's spell Blippi together. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. All right, bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!